Hey guys, this is Michael with Quiet One. Just wanted to update you on where we're at as far as revenue goes for 2022. Last year I made our video talking about that we did, I think, $276,000 in revenue last year, and I kind of broke that down by different services and what that consisted of. And I said our goal this year was to grow to 400, maybe closer to 500,000. So far we are on track for that. It's the third week of July, and I think we're right at $200,000. By the end of July we'll be probably around 220 or so. We're right on track to be at 400, maybe closer to 500 if things go terribly right. The good thing about that is that we're continuing to be more efficient, more lean, and we're basically doing that extra revenue without any additional manpower, or a small amount of manpower. We basically have I'd say two, probably the equivalent of 3 full-time employees, maybe 2.5 that are out doing all that work right now. So, we're pretty, we're generating a pretty good bit of revenue with the small labor force that we have. Now, we also have our awesome virtual office staff that I've talked about before. We do have other employees in marketing, things like that. But as far as the people out actually doing the work, we're pretty efficient as far as that. That's mostly probably consisted of, and I'll get a breakdown of this so you can see. As soon as I get the numbers, I'll give you a breakdown of by percentage what service that is. But that's probably going to be a third of that's probably going to be our fertilization and weed control program. Probably another third or so is going to be mowing. Probably a good bit is going to be mulch and those kind of spring services, the one-time type services that we do. And then also some of that's also Christmas lights. I've been pushing our Christmas light service for the last several years, and it's been very tough to grow because we're in a new market and the service isn't really available. But it's finally starting to take off, and we just signed up several restaurants that are right together. We just signed a big contract with all of them to decorate their restaurants. I think there's 8 different restaurants. We did 2 of them last year, but this year we're going to do all 8, and then we're going to do a big light show for all of them. So that'll probably be $50,000 to $75,000 in revenue, additional revenue for us during the winter, which will really help keep our guys going through the winter, and continue to build that Christmas light service, which I hope is going to be a big solution to keeping our guys paid all year and keeping people on staff the whole time. But that's kind of where we're at. Continuing to refine our model, continuing to improve, continuing to make mistakes and learn from them. Trying to get better and better each year as we refine this model. But hope you're all doing well. Please comment below, let me know how you're doing, and we'll do another update here pretty soon when we have some more specific numbers.